What's up lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how to make a matrix chart in Power BI. So first of all, let's understand what is a matrix chart. So I have written some kind of small description about the matrix chart. So in a data set, these are the charts which shows the relationship between the two or more variables. For representation of the data in grid format, it is made up of columns and rows. To create this chart, we require at least two variables. If any other third or fourth variable is there, then color or other dimensions which can be added to the matrix for representing the data. So this is a small definition or a description about the matrix chart. So let's see how to make a matrix chart in Power BI. So the data set that we are going to use is a online retail data set. This data set is already used by us in our previous video. So if you want a data set explanation, you can go and watch our previous videos for a full data set explanation. So let's see how to make a matrix chart in Power BI. So the matrix chart that I'm going to make, I'm going to include the columns like country, then I'm going to take the customer ID, then I'm going to take the quantity and unit price. So yes, so drag and drop the country onto the task window and do the same thing with the other columns as well. Just go to the customer ID as well and drag and drop to the task window, then go to the quantity, drag and drop to the task window, then go to the unit price, drag and drop to the task window. So it will be showing you a default chart. So for now it is showing me a map over here, but we do not want that. So just go to the visualization pane and select a matrix chart from here. So you can see over here my mouse is on the matrix chart. So I am going to click on it and you can see my default visualization is going to change into a matrix chart. So this is how we can make a matrix chart in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.